Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are taking a look at this bike from DYU. This is the D3F. Little folder, shouldn't be too much to set up, so we're going to open the box and see what's inside. Another box. Okay, so it looks like everything here is packaged pretty well. It's a very small bike, a very small footprint. We've got some extra padding here, which is nice. Lots of cardboard. Extra padding up here by the front axle. So, all in all, I'd say as far as packaging goes, pretty awesome. The only thing I might suggest is, I don't know if you can see here, but there's some indentation in the cardboard. So having something right here may be a little bit better for that crank, or, yeah, that's probably what I do. Add something in there. But let's go ahead and take the rest of the stuff off. See what she looks like. As far as ease of assembly goes, it doesn't get too much easier than that. And insert the seat post here. Like that. And let's open this up. Okay, we got another fender for the rear. Looks like that mounts right there. Nice. Got the pedals. Alright, got them labeled, one for the left, one for the right. Got the charging brick here, a little user manual. Not too bad, this thing looks pretty nice. Looks like it covers the components pretty well. And also talks about some functions. This looks like kind of like a quick tips, quick start sort of guide, and let you know where the charge port is, which is right here. Yeah, I might not have found that if I wouldn't have had that. Let's see. What else we got here? This is. Oh wait, no, that's for the. Oh, the light's over there. It's for the rear. So that'll go on. Something like that. Pretty cool. Two little tools. I'm assuming that's for installing the pedals. So let's go ahead and do that next. That'll be pretty handy. Okay. Right, now the only thing I'm noticing so far as packing damages is this front fender here is just a little bit bent. Now that's probably something you could sort of like heat it up and kind of bend it back and get it to go back to the right spot. But right now it's just a little bit out of whack. Not really a huge deal. Looks like it's going to be doing most of the work. Very nice. Okay, we've got a little single speed here. Got our motor here in the back. Got mechanical disc brakes. You can use the assembly tools here. Now this Allen key is a little bit too long to use that way, and then it's a screwdriver on this side. So if you had a different Allen key that was a little bit skinnier, you could probably put that in a little bit easier. Well, let's go ahead and pop this guy in. Alright, so we got that on there nice and tight. And that is pretty much it, I would say, for the assembly. Everything else seems to be fine. I would probably run around and tighten up some of these bolts. The stem looks like it's a little bit sideways. Maybe not. That's pretty much it. Not really a whole lot to do as far as the assembly goes. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to be doing a review of this bike, and then I had this crazy idea, and I don't know if it came out of this bike or I just had the idea. I wanted to turn this into a jumping bike. Now, I know you're looking at it and you're going, that's crazy, and it definitely is crazy, but I'm going to see if I've got some spare mountain bike parts laying around, and we're going to see if we can turn this into a little jumping machine. And I don't know how it's going to go, and it's probably not going to go well, but we're going to see how it goes. That's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, look, a free hairnet.